Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, SuperSport 0. I'm joined by my brother Libiso Kimanguzagoka.
Bugalavu, Ali1, Machizi, Linyagangi, Arale Mema, Rale Paratega weekend, Le Tominha, Linyagokapa, Ganamonfonorino, number 10.
Estimos, you know what?
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs supporters go where football goes.
Kaizer Chiefs supporters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
We are not here we go where football go.
Yes.
They can say whatever they say, but Kaizer Chiefs will go where football goes.
Yes.
Arinyake mathata bona mo.
Ale batla Chiefs mo.
Arinyake mathata bona. Ese machizi mathata bona.
Bana le mathata ra.
Bana le mathata.
Ke mathata ra.
Aba patela ngaka.
They say if you can't beat them, join them. Sundowns playing a quality football. We are happy about what we are seeing here. That is why even on Saturday, I'm giving it to Sundowns. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, but I'm giving it to Sundowns. You know why? I see 4.
Wow.
I see 4-1.
Why?
Quality, Tibo. They have quality. They have money. So what I'm seeing now, today I was happy today.
Yes.
I get asked football mean. I'm here to support football. So I saw football. So Bagania, Kaizer Chiefs, let's learn from Sundowns. They play good football. Jealous aside. That thing of they are having 57 supporters there is not there. They are having the supporters. They are supporting the ball. Sometimes you must be fair. As a soccer supporters. If a team is doing well, we must give them credit. They're doing well. Season in, season out, they are doing well. No one is stopping them. And then according to me, the only way to stop Sundowns is for PSL to introduce that EPL law of a power team, financial fair play. Or else no one will stop Sundowns. I'm telling you.
Man of the match.
No one.
Man of the match.
Costa Ribeiro is a man of the match. That guy is hard. You can't put that guy down. That guy is hard.
Thank you, Jaka.
First, they are playing well. Thank you.